This is the Anvil. And let me tell you, when you use this thing right, it hits pretty hard. But somehow, nobody's using it. Today, I'm on a mission to prove that it's actually better than people think. So, we dropped in the Buried City Hurricane and went looking for a fight.
Let's go to the hospital.
The wind is so loud we can hear it down here. I'd say keep your eyes open, but good luck with that.
Yeah, that's true. Also, I didn't take my snap. We gotta get on the side. probably. Yep, I'm killing him. Get the other guy. Maybe I don't really know. Okay, just put it in your safe pocket. That's so sad. I want to kill it again for me. That's fine. Is there a hatch? Do you have a hatch?
Head home with the train station hatch.
Rattler? Yeah. See, push him, push him. Yeah, come inside.
I'm right behind you.
I got swapped with the kitted bobcat. Where are they? Oh, he's right here. He's dead. Yep, where's the other one? Where's the other one? They were kids. Where? Watch out for others. Here, I'm gonna kill this. We're good. Absolute wait. This guy's weird, bro. This guy's actually weird. Alright, let's go. Did you loot this guy?
Down waiter, down here.
Shoot. Okay, well, let's hope somebody takes the hatch. Oh, there is. Wait, no, there's not.
So, after that raid, I think it's pretty clear that the Anvil is way better than people give it credit for. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace!